जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 7th chapter ज्ञान विज्ञान योगमु 10th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, I am the original seed of all entities in this entire universe. I am the original eternal seed of all the entities. Arjuna, because I am the Srishti, there are people who have great intelligence. Those intelligent people also the part of the Srishti. That means I am all those intelligence. Because I am all those intelligent people, the intelligence that they have, I am the intelligence. Arjuna, I am the Srishti, and the powerful men in this entire Srishti is part of the Srishti. That means I am the powerful men, and their courage, the power that they have is also mine. I am the power of all the powerful men of this Srishti. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma continuing establishing his Narayana Tattvam, having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts. Now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Bijam mam sarvabhutanam viddhi partha sanatanam buddhihi buddhimatamasmi tejaha tejasvinam aham Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma saying that, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Vidura praying and requesting Maitreya like this. O Maitreya, Krishnadvaipayana, Vyasa Maharshi gave Sriman Mahabharatam to this humanity. If anyone gets to Sriman Mahabharatam, they will get Akhanda Anandam and they will get eagerness to learn more about Sriman Narayana's divine story. Mahabharatam helps everyone to get inclined towards Paramatma's divine stories. O Maitreya, if we get to listen to Paramatma's stories, if we continue listening to Paramatma's divine stories, slowly we will get disinterest upon all worldly things. Sa Shraddhadhanasya Vivardhamana Viraktim Anyatra Karoti Pumsaha. If we continue and keep listening to the Paramatma's stories, the interest which is building up towards Paramatma's stories slowly makes other interests go down. That is what Mahabharatam does. That is what Paramatma's divine stories does. O Maitreya, Hareh Pada Anusmriti Nirvrutasya Samasta Dukkhapyayamasu dhatte. Only by meditating upon Krishna's divine feet, all sort of troubles, sufferings, turmoils will go away and will be completely destroyed. O Maitreya, if anyone is not interested in listening to Paramatma's stories, that means the reason behind that is they have done so many sins, they have committed so many papas. That is why they are not interested in listening to Paramatma's stories. So what they do is they will be spending all of their life in enjoying only mundane things, worldly stories. Like that they will spend their life. While they are doing like that, while they are not listening to Paramatma stories at all, while they are wasting their time in spending only in hearing and listening to other stories of this world, what Surya Bhagavan does, Surya Bhagavan slowly decreases their lifespan. That is what Surya Bhagavan also does. Not only that, O Maitreya, I realize that those who are not interested in listening to Paramatma stories, those who does not listen to the divine miraculous stories of Sriman Narayana, their words are no use, their actions are no use, their thoughts also no use. All of those people's words, actions, thoughts are never going to be useful to this earth. O Maitreya, only Sriman Narayana's divine stories, Hare Katham Eva Kathasu Saram, only Paramatma stories brings real joy, real happiness to everyone. That is why, O Maitreya, please bless me with all divine stories of Sriman Narayana and help me listen to Paramatma's avatars. You please disclose all avatars of Paramatma, Chakara, Karmani, Atipurushani, and divine activities of Paramatma in different avatarams. I would like to listen to all of those stories. Please reveal all those stories to me. Like that, Vidura requesting Maitreya. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Balamukundashtakam Sikye Nidhayadhyapayodadhini Bahirgatayam Vrajanayikayam Bhuktva Yedheshtam Kapatena Suptam Balam Mukundam Manasa Smarami. Balam Mukundam Manasa Smarami. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasyatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 7th chapter 10th sloka. Bijam mam sarvabhutanam viddhi partha sanatanam buddhihi buddhimatamasmi tejaha tejasvinam aham. Bijam mam sarvabhutanam viddhi partha sanatanam buddhir buddhimatamasmi tejaha tejasvinam aham. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.